So there are 3 reasons why I love this Dell multifunction printer, model E514DW. This is a black and white printer that has scanning, copying, and pretty much speed printing. One of the reasons why I love this printer is because it's very comparable in terms of affordability and maybe better value than, let's say, a brother printer of this nature. You can scan, you can copy, it's wireless, and it's a very fast printer. So that's the first reason. Second reason, you don't have to use name brand toner cartridges. So this is a black and white printer. It doesn't use ink. I can get off-brand names for this, or off-brand toner cartridges for this Dell printer, no problem, on Amazon. Very affordable, and it works really well. The third reason why I like this so much is because it's a great printer if you want to use this for printing shipping labels, or you want to use it for printing multiple copies of many items. It can do that really well. So let's look at this printer real quick. This is the tray where you load up your paper. Sometimes I'll put shipping paper in terms of shipping labels that are adhesive. They fit in here. And you see right now this is on sleep, but it will print if I print something. And here we can see the scanner. You put your stuff in, you click the scan button, or you can go on your computer and use the software, which is the Dell Document Hub, to scan from there, and then you can save your copies from there. And of course, you have your basic copy functions, ID copy, very straightforward to use, and it's wireless. It hooks up via Wi-Fi, no problems whatsoever. Now, if you want to copy, you put your papers in here, or you can use the scanner to copy. It's been really solid for me for the last 4, 5, 6 years. In terms of shipping labels, if I'm printing out multiple shipping labels, it does fine. It accepts multiple types of papers really well. And it's been a workhorse. And that's why I love having this printer around. And I don't need color. So for the purposes of black and white ink, and that, for business reasons, this is the printer to get if you don't want to get a brother of this same type of printer.